وعليكم السلام وعلى الوزير. How are you? It's good to see you. How are you? Thank you for being here.
Thank you so
Coming
much.
to Baghdad.
Yes,
You're welcome. Was it the first time?